While the initial appeal of passive income might be to make money without any effort at all, with greater understanding of what passive income is and how it really works, many people get a more realistic idea of the power and the potential of this alternative way of earning a living, seeing it not necessarily as an easy way to get rich, but instead a strategic way to diversify their income and create greater financial security. Because of course, creating streams of passive income does take effort. In fact, quite a lot of it, but the long-term gains make that effort worth it. Hello and welcome to the Money Kings, where we provide new videos about how to make the most money from your phone or a laptop in the comfort of your home. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you will never miss out on any of the tips or tricks we have to show you about all the awesome and legit ways to make money online. Maybe you're wondering, what's the best way to earn passive income? Should you sell courses or publish a book? Or should you set up a drop shipping website or a membership program? Or perhaps you should build an entire business and sell it, or simply invest your savings into an existing business or into dividend earning stocks. Today we're going to look at 3 of the best passive income options. All these strategies are easy to get started and proven to be able to earn at least $200 every day. It was right about 4 years ago when I launched my first membership site to my small audience, and to my great surprise, exactly 300 people immediately signed up, paying me $33 every single month, which meant that I immediately had a brand new stream of revenue that instantly was earning $10,000 per month, and that was incredible. So a membership site is a website where either people are paying for some information or education on a specific topic, or they might be paying to simply be part of a club. And what makes a membership site different from a course or some other model is that with a membership site, your members are paying subscriptions, which means that they're paying you every single month to continue to have access to that content. Now, there's a big myth out there that with a membership site, you have to create a lot of new content every month. That's why people think that they are very time-consuming to run. But that's simply not the case. If you create good quality content on your membership site, people will continue to pay to have access to it because it will take them more than a month to get through it. In fact, most people take many months, if not years, to get through online course material. I know plenty of people who have created online courses and then simply paired them with a community and sell that as a membership site, and do so very successfully. Now, regardless of exactly how you decide to structure your membership site, there are 3 things you're going to need to turn your membership site into a success. The first is a clear and specific value that the membership site provides. So maybe you're teaching people how to get a specific outcome, or maybe it's all centered around one specific topic. But if you try to make your membership website too wide or broad or too diverse, then you're going to find that people don't really see the value in it. As a result, you'll struggle to get people to sign up. So first of all, you need to have a strong value. Second, you need to have some sort of process that sells. This is essential if you want it to be passive, because you can have a membership site without this. You can actively sell it on one individual at a time, but it will be a very active income source. In that case, you need to have some sort of automated sales funnel that can sell your membership site without you having to do the work, if you want it to be passive. And then third, you need to have some sort of traffic source that is fueling that sales funnel. So you need to have some way that you are automatically getting traffic and leads. That way, the sales funnel converts into customers. Most membership sites charge somewhere between $5 or $250 a month. Obviously, that's a huge range, although there are definitely some even outside of that range. So if we're going to look at some examples here, let's say your membership site was $95 or $100 a month. Well then, in that case, you would need about 60 members in order to reach $6,000 a month, which would be about 200 a day. Or if you had 100 paying members, then you'd be earning $10,000 a month, which is obviously a bit more than $200 a day. But that means you'd have plenty to pay for your expenses and have your take-home profit be about $200 a day. The next idea for passive income is about royalties. You're probably most familiar with royalties as a part of the music industry, where musical artists get paid royalties every time someone purchases one of their songs or albums. But royalties actually exist in many other industries as well. And one of the very easiest way to earn royalties yourself is to create an ebook. Write an ebook or write a book yourself and publish it on Amazon where people can purchase it. By doing so, you will earn a royalty of anywhere between around $1 to $10 for every copy of that book that someone purchases on Amazon. A few years ago, I did this for myself. I wrote and published an ebook about organization strategies and decluttering strategies that I personally used in my own life and found really helpful. Now, at that time, I did not have any audience myself at all. And so I definitely wasn't going to be able to turn this ebook into a success or really make any money from it by just telling my friends and family about it. So what I did was I went into a few dozen different free Facebook groups, and these groups were focused on organization and decluttering and minimalism and things like that. And I told them that I had a book that was coming out soon and that I was going to be giving it away for free for the first few days after it is published. And so this got people really excited about it. I also got a couple of hundred of people to sign up for a launch team to help me promote it. When it did come out, I already had this few hundred people who I had actually told about it myself, and they went and downloaded it for free. And that was enough to start pushing it up to the Amazon charts. And that got it more visibility on Amazon. So more people who didn't know me at all started downloading it for free. It ended up getting up to #1 on the charts in its specific category in the free section. So then when the free promotion ended, I switched it to a paid book. People actually kept buying it, and I ended up selling a few thousand copies of that book, which brought in several $1,000s of revenue from those royalties. And ever since then, I continued to sell copies of it every single month and earn about $2 to $5 in royalties for every copy that sells. And that's all from this one-time project I did, where I spent about a month writing that book, and then I spent a few dozen hours connecting with people online to promote the free version of it. The last passive income idea I'm going to tell you is from YouTube. As you may know, YouTube pays creators for clicks on ads that are driven by views on those creators' videos. So if you make videos on YouTube, people watch your videos, and a tiny percentage of those people will click on your ads, and you will get paid for that. Now, the way this is typically calculated is with something called a CPM, a cost per ML, which means an average amount that you're earning per 1,000 views. Now, this rate can be anywhere between $1 and $50 per 1,000 views, but most YouTube creators see it land somewhere between $5 and $20 per 1,000 views. And on my channel, I typically see around $10 per 1,000 views now. This makes the math really easy. If ever you're very curious about how much someone is earning for a video that they created whenever you're watching a video on YouTube, just take a look at the view count, and then all you need to do is divide that number by 100, and that will tell you roughly how many dollars they're earning directly from the ads on that video. Now, of course, there is plenty of effort associated with creating content on YouTube, but what's really cool is that the videos keep racking up views. They're still earning me money even after that time when I invested 5 to 10 hours to make each of those videos. And so every single month, I earn around $6,000, sometimes $10,000 in complete passive income. And I would keep earning that revenue for quite some time, even if I quit or took a break. Now, of course, when you are first starting out, it is really tough to stand out and you won't be earning anything at first because you have to wait until your channel gets monetized, which typically happens once you reach 1,000 subscribers and get 4,000 watch hours here on YouTube. So you'll be doing a lot of work and not getting paid much. That's the same with a lot of passive income strategies where you have to do a fair amount of upfront work, getting paid a little to nothing, but then long term, you get to reap the rewards of that effort that you put in. Now, like I said, the toughest part is just getting those first 1,000 subscribers though, and getting your channel monetized and getting traction from zero. In fact, only 17 of channels on YouTube earn any money at all. Only 17 are monetized. So you can see that it's really tough to stand out. However, if you go about it with the right strategy, you can get your channel monetized in as little as just a few months. Alright, congratulations for making it to this point in the video. Definitely go ahead and try these strategies to build your passive income. I would really love to know which one you felt was the perfect strategy for you and which one you will try today. Let me know in the comment section below. Alright, and that is it for today. Make sure you like this video if it gave you a new way to earn a little extra cash. Subscribe to Money Kings and we will keep you updated on the easiest way to earn money online from the comfort of your home, on the side, or for a little bit of fun money. Don't forget to click the notification bell as well so you can be the first to know. Thank you for watching and we will see you next time.